Welcome to Build Tech. Today we'll cover the fascinating topic of modern rabbit farming and harvesting technology. Rabbit farming has evolved from small-scale family consumption to large commercial operations with hundreds of rabbits. Today we'll take you on a fascinating journey into the world of rabbit slaughter factories and advanced rabbit meat processing machines that are on a whole new level. Get ready to explore the incredible innovations in the rabbit farming industry, so let's dive right in. The life cycle of an industrially farmed rabbit is typically very short. Newborn rabbits used for meat production often come from the same breeders as those supplying the pet trade. While companion rabbits can live for 10 to 15 years, the majority of meat rabbits are killed at just 3 months of age. Rabbits are capable of becoming pregnant at around 4 months of age, although it is recommended to wait until 6 months for small to medium breeds and 8 months for larger giant breeds. The gestation period for rabbits is relatively short, lasting between 28 to 35 days. The doe's estrus cycle, also known as the reproductive cycle, is brief and can vary between 3 and 12 days. Approximately on the 28th day of pregnancy, the doe will start preparing a nest for her upcoming litter. This nesting behavior is a way for the doe to provide warmth and comfort to her babies once they are born. A doe, or female rabbit, can give birth to a litter ranging from 1 to 14 babies. When babies called kits are born, they are hairless, blind, and deaf. They rely entirely on their mother's care for survival. During the first 2 weeks after birth, a doe will feed her kits only twice a day, which is essential for their development. Around the 5th or 6th day, the kits begin to grow, and their eyes start to open at around 10 days old. Between 3 and 5 weeks of age, rabbits start nibbling at solid food and are ready to leave the nest. By the time they reach 6 to 8 weeks, the kits become fully independent of their mother. At around 90 days, the fattening stage of the rabbits, now called bunnies, begins. They are weighed and classified based on their gender, with an ideal weight of 3 to 4 kilograms at this stage. The eligible rabbits are selected for meat, and they are fed a diet consisting of healthy foods such as potato leaves, carrots, lettuces, cabbages, apples, and a small portion of concentrated feed for the next 30 days. Rabbits prefer temperatures ranging from about 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. However, they can tolerate lower temperatures as long as they are properly housed. Outdoor rabbit hutches should be waterproof and have a solid roof with a slight overhang to protect the rabbits from rain and snow. Rabbits should primarily have a daily diet consisting of hay, with a smaller portion of fresh vegetables and a limited number of pellets. Hay is the most crucial part of a rabbit's daily intake. It is recommended to provide rabbits with unlimited access to high-quality grass hay, such as Timothy, orchard, or brome hay. This type of hay should make up the majority of a rabbit's diet. Hay is essential for their digestive health as it helps maintain proper dental wear, provides fiber for a healthy gut, and supports overall well-being. In addition to hay, rabbits can also be offered a variety of fresh vegetables as part of their diet. This can include leafy greens like romaine lettuce, spinach, kale, and herbs such as parsley or cilantro. It's important to introduce new vegetables gradually and monitor the rabbit's response to ensure they tolerate them well. Pellets should be fed in limited quantities, as they are more concentrated and can lead to obesity if overconsumed. High-quality pellets specifically formulated for rabbits can be given in small amounts to supplement their diet and provide additional nutrients. It's important to provide clean, fresh water at all times and regularly monitor the rabbit's food intake to ensure they are maintaining a healthy weight. Consulting with a veterinarian who specializes in rabbits can help establish a suitable diet plan tailored to the specific needs of the rabbit. Let's clarify the proportions for an adult rabbit's diet. 80% of an adult rabbit's diet should consist of grass hay. High-quality grass hay, such as Timothy, orchard, or brome hay, should be available at all times. Hay provides essential fiber for proper digestion, maintains dental health, and supports overall well-being. 10% of the diet should consist of fresh vegetables. Offer a variety of leafy greens and other rabbit-safe vegetables, such as romaine lettuce, spinach, kale, parsley, cilantro, carrot tops, and bell peppers. Introduce new vegetables gradually and observe how your rabbit tolerates them. 5% of the diet can include healthy treats. Treats should be given sparingly and should be suitable for rabbits. Examples of healthy treats include small pieces of fruit, such as apples or pears, berries, such as blueberries or strawberries, and herbs, such as mint or basil. Avoid sugary or high-starch treats, as they can disrupt the rabbit's digestive system. The remaining 5% can include a small portion of high-quality pellets. Pellets should be limited and chosen specifically for rabbits, without added seeds, nuts, or colored pieces. Pellets provide additional nutrients, but should not be the main component of the diet. It's crucial to monitor your rabbit's weight and adjust its food intake accordingly. Each rabbit is unique, so it's important to consult with a veterinarian specializing in rabbits to determine the ideal diet plan based on your rabbit's specific needs, age, and health condition. Regularly evaluate your rabbit's body condition score to ensure they are maintaining a healthy weight. Rabbit manure is highly valued for its nutrient-rich composition. Compared to other types of manure such as cow, horse, and chicken, rabbit manure contains 4 times more nutrients and is twice as rich. It is packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, minerals, and micronutrients. Fresh rabbit manure, which is approximately 2% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus, and 1% potassium, can be used directly as fertilizer without the need for composting. This makes it a convenient and effective option for enhancing soil fertility and promoting plant growth. Proper hygiene and maintenance are crucial in rabbit farming. Regular cleaning of rabbit cages or hutches is essential to ensure the well-being of the rabbits. It is recommended to thoroughly clean the cages at least once a week, although more frequent deep cleaning may be required depending on cage size and litter training. An outdoor rabbit hutch should be designed to be waterproof and have a solid roof with a slight overhang, protecting the rabbits from rain and snow. Rabbit meat consumption varies across different countries and preferences. Young rabbits are typically ready for slaughter at around 8 to 12 weeks of age, weighing approximately 3 to 4 pounds dressed weight. Roasters, which are rabbits between 10 weeks and 6 months old, can weigh between 5.5 and 8 pounds live and dress out to about 3 to 4 pounds. The preference for fresh or frozen rabbit meat depends on the region, with some countries like Spain, France, and Mexico showing a higher preference for fresh meat. Different cuts and forms of rabbit meat are also favored, with variations in preferences for roasted, smoked, and semi-finished forms. Rabbit meat offers excellent nutritional and dietetic properties. It is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, proteins, and essential amino acids. Rabbit meat has moderately high energy values, low fat, and low cholesterol levels, making it a healthy protein source. It is also a significant source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12. Additionally, rabbit meat has a low sodium content but is rich in phosphorus. While rabbit meat consumption is relatively low in the European Union, it is gaining popularity in countries like China, where both production and consumption are increasing. The demand for rabbit meat is indeed increasing day by day, and it has generated significant revenue. In 2020 alone, rabbit meat generated approximately $6.9 billion. European countries are the main consumers of rabbit meat, with the Czech Republic being the largest consumer worldwide, averaging 3.72 kilograms of rabbit meat per person. To meet this growing demand, rabbits are now farmed on a commercial scale. Various rabbit breeds exist, but not all are suitable for commercial farming. The most favored breeds for commercial farming include the California breed, New Zealand breed, Champagne, Argent breed, Flemish Giant breed, and American Chinchilla breed. Among these, the New Zealand breed is particularly popular due to its short gestation periods, larger litter size, and muscular build, with an average weight of 5 to 6 kilograms. Commercial rabbit farming often involves artificial insemination for successful reproduction. Sperm is collected from healthy rabbits, tested for quality, and then used for assisted breeding. Artificial insemination is a common practice, with 99% of does impregnation using this method. It is considered less traumatic for the does compared to forced mating, and it ensures a 100% success rate. In a typical commercial farm, the life cycle of a rabbit culminates at around 130 days after birth, when they are ready for harvesting. At this stage, the rabbits are taken to a designated slaughterhouse, where they undergo the process of turning into meat products for consumption. Upon arrival at the slaughterhouse, the rabbits are handled with care to ensure their well-being and minimize stress. They are hung upside down, usually by their hind legs, in a process known as bleeding out. This method is commonly used for small animals like rabbits and is considered humane and efficient. By hanging them upside down, the blood flows downward, facilitating the process of bleeding. After the rabbits have been properly bled out, the carcasses go through a thorough washing process. This step is essential to remove any dirt, debris, or contaminants that may be present on the surface of the meat. Washing also helps maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of the final product. Following the washing stage, the viscera, which refers to the internal organs, is carefully removed from the carcasses. This includes organs such as the intestines, liver, kidneys, and other internal structures. Removing the viscera is a crucial step in the meat processing procedure, as it reduces the risk of contamination and helps improve the overall quality and shelf life of the meat. Once the viscera has been properly removed, the meat goes through another round of washing to ensure it is clean and free from any remaining debris or blood. This step contributes to the sanitary conditions of the meat and ensures that it meets the required health and safety standards. After the final washing, the rabbit meat is ready for the packing process. Rabbit meat processing is relatively straightforward and does not require intricate or complex procedures. Due to the small size of rabbits, the meat can be packed in different forms, including as a whole carcass, chopped into pieces, or even deboned to provide boneless meat options. Packaging methods may vary depending on the intended use and market preferences. The meat can be vacuum sealed, wrapped in butcher paper, or placed in plastic containers, ensuring that it is properly sealed and protected to maintain its freshness and quality during storage and transportation. We hope you enjoyed discovering the remarkable advancements in modern rabbit farming and harvesting technology. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Remember to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. We value your feedback, so please leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.